Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Sir, last week we were very well explained about how to file GSTR 1 and elaborately explain the various consequences of GSTR 1. Now I wish to know that how to file the GSTR 3B return.
Okay, sir. Last week we had discussed about the GSTR 1 return. Before going to discuss about GSTR 3B return, I want to tell you about GSTR 2B return. GSTR 2B return is derived from the GSTR 1 returns supplied by your suppliers. The data derived from the GSTR 2B return and the GSTR 1 return filed by you will be auto-populated in the GSTR 3B return. So, GSTR 3B return is the summary of the details generated from the GSTR 1 return filed by you and the data from the GSTR B return in which in turn it is generated from the GSTR 1 return filed by your suppliers. So, now you are having the data of value of supply made by you and the supplies received by you, thereby the ITC available by you. So, by the net you are having the data of tax payable by you and the ITC available with you and the net tax payable by you. This is the data auto-populated. However, you have to verify each data because the data generated automatically may be not correct. For example, ITC available in respect of the motor vehicles are not eligible for in general by all the companies. However, it is eligible for the motor vehicle companies and motor driving schools. So, in respect of each invoice, you have to verify whether you are eligible for the input tax credit or not. So, after verifying each invoice, either you can edit the data or you can accept the data as it is. Whenever you are editing the data, you should have the supporting documents because automatically it will give a mismatch between the GSTR 1 return and GSTR 3B return. Wherever the mismatches are coming, the same will be collected by the system and it will be sending to the jurisdictional offices. In turn, you will be getting the notice from the jurisdictional offices. So, you should process and keep the return documents for why you are editing the data available in the GSTR 3B return. So, after verifying all these data, you can upload the GSTR 3B return. Now, I will tell you how to upload the GSTR 3B return.
Okay, sir.
So, likewise, how you filed the GSTR 1 return, the same manner, you go to gst.gov.in by using your username and password, you are logging in, then you are going to the tab services under which you are having returns, under which you are having in returns calendar, then you are selecting the month. Under the month you are having the two options, either you want to file nil return or you want to file returns. There you can choose the return, then you can go to the auto populated values, then you are seeing wherever you want to change, then at the end you are submitting by using your OTP or your dongle. After submitting the data, you cannot change the data.
Sir, suppose if I have no transaction for this month, can I have to file nil return?
Sir, even if you don't have supplies during this month, you may be having the inputs, you may be having the receipts, or you may be having the pending liabilities of previous period. In all such cases, you cannot file nil return, you have to go into the return, you have to give the data. Suppose you are not having any supplies, you are not having any inputs, and you are not having any pending liability. In such a case, you can file the nil return. For filing the nil return, in the same way, you go into the portal and you select the month. In that month, you are having the option whether you want to file nil return. In that, you can just click the nil yes, then it will be filed automatically. Otherwise, you need not go into the portal, just through your registered mobile number, you can send the SMS and you can file nil return.
Thank you, sir. Sorry, you were very well explained about how to file the GSTR 3B return. So, it will very useful for me. Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me an opportunity for sharing the thoughts on GSTR 3B return. However, I wish you not to file nil return, but to file the returns with higher values. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.